Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, you are going to learn how to fix Meta Quest 3S controllers not working, pairing, sync, and sensor troubleshoot. Fix 1. Replace the batteries. Remove the battery cover from the affected controller. Install a fresh AA alkaline battery. Ensure the battery is inserted in the correct direction. Check that the battery contacts are clean and making good contact. Fix 2. Restart the controller. Remove the battery from the controller, wait 30 seconds, reinsert the battery, press any button to wake the controller. Fix 3. Restart your Quest 3S headset. Hold the power button on the headset, select restart. Wait for the headset to reboot completely. Check if the controller reconnects automatically. Fix 4. Unpair and repair the controller. Open the Meta Horizon app on your phone, select your Quest 3S device, go to Controllers, choose the affected controller and tap Unpair, select Pair New Controller and follow the instructions. Fix 5. Update your Meta Quest 3S. Put on the headset, go to Settings, System, Software Update. Install any available updates, restart the headset after updating. Controller firmware updates install automatically when paired. Fix 6. Improve tracking conditions. Clean the headset tracking cameras with a microfiber cloth. Make sure the room is well lit. Avoid direct sunlight, mirrors, or reflective surfaces. Remove third party controller covers or accessories that may block tracking. Fix 7. Factory reset the headset. Last resort. Backup any important data. Perform a factory reset on the headset. Complete the setup process again. Repair the controllers during setup. Fix 8. Contact Meta support. A controller does not power on with a new battery. The controller LED never lights up. The tracking ring is physically damaged. Pairing fails even after resetting and repairing. One controller works normally while the other remains completely unresponsive. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share the video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.